Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about something that many lenders fear: compliance. For some people, compliance feels like paperwork, rules, regulations, audits, reports, forms, something that slows the business down, something that costs money, something you do because you have no choice. But I want to challenge that way of thinking. Compliance is not something you do because you have to. It is something you do because it protects your business. In fact, some of the most successful lenders I've ever met are also some of the most compliant lenders out there. And that's not a coincidence, because professional businesses understand that compliance creates trust, and trust creates growth. Let's think about this for a moment. Who would you rather do business with? A lender that follows proper processes, keeps accurate records, and operates transparently? Or a lender that cuts corners, ignores the regulations, and hopes for the best? The answer is obvious. People trust professionalism, and compliance is one of the clearest signs of professionalism. Now, compliance is often viewed as an expense, but I believe compliance is an investment into protecting your reputation, an investment into protecting your customers, an investment in protecting your business, and ultimately an investment in long-term growth. Because problems are expensive, investigations are expensive, legal disputes are definitely expensive, customer complaints are expensive, reputational damage is expensive. Compliance helps reduce those risks. Let's talk about what compliance actually does. First, it protects your customers. Responsible lending practices ensures that customers receive appropriate products. Affordability assessments help prevent financial distress. Clear agreements help customers understand their obligations, and proper record keeping protects both parties. When customers know they are dealing with a professional organization, trust increases, and trust matters. The second thing compliance protects is your business. Many business owners focus on growth while ignoring risk. But growth without protection can become dangerous. Imagine building a large loan book only to discover that critical documents are missing, or maybe affordability assessments were incomplete, or customer records cannot be located. Those problems can become extremely costly. Good compliance practices create strong foundations. Strong foundations support sustainable growth. The third thing compliance protects is your reputation. Reputation is one of the most valuable assets any business can possess. It takes years to build and only moments to damage. People talk, communities talk, customers share experiences. Professional lenders become known for integrity, for transparency, for doing things correctly. That reputation becomes a competitive advantage, because customers prefer doing business with organizations that they can trust. And trust is earned through consistent behavior. Now, here's something many entrepreneurs overlook. Compliance creates confidence. When your processes are documented, when your records are accurate, and when your obligations are being met, you operate with confidence. You sleep better. You make better decisions. You grow with certainty, because you know your business is built on strong foundations. That confidence is incredibly valuable. Let's talk a minute about your employees, your staff. Strong compliance cultures create strong teams. When people know the rules, understand the processes, and follow clear procedures, performance improves. There is less confusion, less uncertainty, less room for mistakes. Everyone understands what is expected. Everyone understands how things should be done. And consistency creates professionalism. One of the biggest myths in business is that compliance slows growth. I fundamentally disagree with this. Poor compliance slows growth. Poor systems slow growth. Poor documentation slows growth. Strong compliance enables growth, because investors trust compliant businesses. Customers trust compliant businesses. Partners trust compliant businesses. Employees trust compliant businesses. Trust creates opportunities, and opportunities creates growth. professional lenders don't ask, how little compliance can I get away with? They will rather ask, how can I build a stronger, more professional business? That's a completely different mindset. It's the mindset of long-term success, the mindset of sustainability, the mindset of leadership. The most respected businesses in any industry are those that embrace accountability and transparency. And the microfinance industry should be no different. We have a responsibility to operate professionally, to protect consumers, and to protect our businesses. We have to uphold the standards that create confidence in our industry. So my message today is simple. Stop seeing compliance as an obligation. Start seeing it as a strategic advantage. Because compliance is not something you do because you have to. It's something you do because it protects everything you've worked so hard to build. Compliance creates trust. Trust creates growth. And professional lenders embrace compliance. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Cheers for now.